Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important pairs and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Wednesday, 8th of December 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, where in the previous videos we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, and in the 1-hour time frame we can see that it has started an uptrend after previously forming a sideways movement and breaking upwards to level 0.9215, where it continued to reach around level 0.9270, which resembles a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the 1-hour time frame, and after failing to break upwards through it, the pair continued to rebound downwards off of it to correct, where it is currently being traded around level 0.9230, which resembles a horizontal support level for the pair in the 1-hour time frame, and by breaking downwards through it, the pair will be ending the uptrend in the 1-hour time frame and will continue with the overall downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, which will continue to target around level 0.9215, then around level 0.9165 as primary targets in the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it has rebounded downwards off of around level 70 near the overbought area, which supports the continuity of the downtrend. That was it for the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's move on to the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. In the previous videos we said that the pair is moving in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. However, we said that it is a weak uptrend, and unless it breaks down through level 1.2725, then we are still moving in an uptrend, which will be confirmed upon the breaking upwards to level 1.2835 in order to continue with it. Recently, we can see that the pair has broken down through level 1.2725, where it is currently being traded around level 1.2645, which resembles a horizontal support level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, and therefore, by rebounding upwards off of it, will support the return to the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, and if the downwards correctional movement extends, then we will be expecting it to retest around level 1.2550, then around level 1.2520 near the uptrend line in the 4-hour time frame. It is important to note that by rebounding upwards off of around the current levels, it will support the return to the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, and by rebounding upwards off of around the uptrend line in the 4-hour time frame, it will either support a correctional movement before continuing with the overall sideways movement in the daily time frame, or it will support the continuity of the uptrend as well. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it has started to rebound upwards off of around level 30 from inside the oversold area, which supports the probability of rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to return to the uptrend. That was it for the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's move on to the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. As mentioned in the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, and we said that by breaking down through level 0.71, it will support the continuity of the downtrend and will continue to target around level 0.6995, where recently we can see that the pair has achieved level 0.6995 and then rebounded upwards off of it, where it continued to break up through level 0.71, which used to resemble a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, and this further supports the continuity of the current upwards correctional movement, which will extend to retest around level 0.7170, then around level 0.7210 or 0.7215 as a primary target for breaking upwards through the upper boundary of the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the daily time frame, then we can see that level 0.7210 or 0.7215 resembles the area close to the broken lower boundary of the previous upwards channel, and therefore it supports the scenario of retesting it before rebounding downwards off of it in order to continue with the downtrend, whether it was in the daily time frame or the smaller time frames. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, we can see that not only has it formed a positive divergence in the 4-hour time frame, but it has also continued to break upwards to level 50, which further supports the continuity, as we said, of the current upwards correctional movement. That was it for the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.